Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 15-minute standing abs workout. So what we need today is just one heavy dumbbell. We don't need a mat because everything will be standing. So we have 15 different exercises that we're going to go over just once. So each exercise will be 45 seconds of work with 15 seconds of break. Don't forget your water and your towel, and everything will be low impact. If you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 단 15분 만에 서서하는 복근운동을 해볼 건데요. 모든 운동은 층간소음 없이 이루어지며 15가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 거예요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어지며 오늘은 필요하신 거는 무거운 덤벨 1개만 준비해 주시면 됩니다. 매트는 필요 없으시고요. 다 서서 하는 동작이니까 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? You guys ready? Let's go and get started with the big arm circles. Reverse it. 3, 2, 1. Swing your arms, legs side to side. Go tiger. Reach up, toe tap back. 4 kicks to the front. 3, 2, and 1. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. She's like, where's my mat? Good. Hands on your shoulders, rotate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach up, 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 cross. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, guys, ready? So first exercise, we are doing a side bend. So grab your heavy dumbbell, I'm going to use this one. So we're going to start with the left side first. We're doing a side bend to a kick. Okay, ready? Left side only. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So side bend to a kick. Side bend, kick. Keep going, kick. Take a break. Okay, before we do the other side, we're doing high knee pull 3 times per leg. So if you see me from the side, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. From the front, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch, keep going. Right here. Squat with oblique twist. Squat with knee to elbow. Here we go. Squat, knee to elbow.
Some directions to get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got
Take a break.
connection. I think
Okay, now
You're
number
on
4.
my
Right side to a right side, then to a front
on
kick.
my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of
Ready?
my mind. Out of my mind.
Here we go.
Out of my
Side bend
mind. Yeah.
to a front kick.
For you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you.
Take a break. Okay, dumbbell swing. Dumbbell swing. Number 5. Plie squat.
Get to you, to get to you. Ain't gonna waste my
Here we go.
time. I know that we got connection. I think about you, for you, my love. You drive me
Chest
crazy.
is up, head is up, just up to your shoulder level.
I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you.
Keep going. Take a break. Okay, please squat with standing oblique crunch.
I don't wanna waste no time no more. 'Cause I can't get you out of my
Right here, down,
I can't
tap,
live without your
tap,
love for sure.
and then up.
You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you. I'm going out of my mind. Because the party don't stop.
Take a break. Okay, wood chop. Same side. So your left foot is back, dumbbell over the right shoulder, like you're chopping wood.
But you're still in my head.
So you're gonna go down into lunge, and then bring the dumbbell up. Chop the wood, and then up.
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now. I
Exhale,
shouldn't care, but it's still
inhale.
I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Now we're doing other side. For 8.
Lose control of myself. Can find you anywhere. Been trying
Here we go.
I can find my love. Been looking everywhere.
Feel that in your obliques?
Doesn't make sense, no. 'Cause I need
Good
you
balance exercise too,
and then we go home.
for
I
sure.
guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't get your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Other side. Forward lunge with rotation, right side.
Came from, only what you're gonna do tonight. This is what we came for.
Ready? Go.
Let's find out what we're made of tonight. The way you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat all night. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching.
Take a break.
My
Okay,
hands
squat
on my
to
body.
toe tap.
Surroundings getting foggy tonight, but we just getting started.
Without the squat, toe tap.
So physical and
So
flawless
toe.
unite, and we just wanna stay here. It's obvious, it's so clear now. I know what I'm in for, so baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. We dance like nobody's
Diagonal reach 3 times per side.
watching. We dance like nobody's watching.
This is number 12. Almost there. Then we'll go squat to reach. Pivot. Then switch.
When you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat on mine. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching.
Take a break. Okay, side lunge to leg twist. Here we go. We're gonna go inside. Twist.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, tell them it's not fun for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't
Other side.
ain't gonna leave.
Right side.
Touch, you're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster
Last
ride
one.
for the triggered minds,
March
but I
in
don't
place.
ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, tell them it's
Marching in
not fun
place.
for
knees up.
Ain't gonna leave ya. Another sabotage. Love a million.
Bring those knees up so you're not leaning back or forward. Keep the back straight like this. Breathe.
We figured out what it's all about. Takes a second and then we're right again. Coaster
Done.
the trigger.
And then stop
But
the
I don't
timer.
ever want to stop it. Go
Get water.
ahead, to let us smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close.
Okay, let's start with a shoulder roll up stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ear to the shoulder. And then up. Up and over to the side. To the side. And then now you're going to reach up, slightly lean back, and then release. One more time. Great job, everyone. Let's do a quick quad stretch. We did a bit of squats. Inner thigh. Good. Hamstring calf stretch. Last one for the hips. Let's do one more. Up and over. Switch. Switch with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. One more time. And we're done for today. That was our 15-minute standing ab, no repeat hit workout. I forgot to mention that, no repeat. Now, if you want a longer standing ab workout, you can definitely repeat this twice or even 3 times if you like. So I post every Tuesday now, and then I do a live workout every Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. So, hope you enjoy the workout. Hope you can join for the live workouts as well. And if you have any great workout ideas or suggestions, please write in the comment section below or anything you'd like to share with us. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and like the button, press that like button, and drink your water, and I'll see you